Hi, Leah with my sewing room here. Today I'm going to be installing a Bernina 770 upgrade kit on a Bernina 770 Quilters Edition. This can also be installed on a 765 Rose Gold machine, a 770 Tula Pink Edition, or 770 Gold. So if you have any of those machines and you're thinking you want some more features, I'm going to walk you through some of the great things that are coming in this upgrade and show you what all it can do for you. First up, I'm going to show you one of the things that drives me a little bit crazy about the 770s, and how we're going to fix it is this upgrade kit. So first things first, many of you notice when you're new to your 770 that when you try and select a presser foot, all your options on screen are grayed out. There's not options to go in and tell it you have a specialty foot, like a 2A foot, unless you set unless you go through Creative Consultant, which doesn't work for every foot available. One quick thing here, this machine is a trade-in. Clearly whoever was sewing on it previously maybe didn't speak English as their first language. So let's go back in and change the language settings on this machine back to English, which is what I'm able to read. Gears, machine settings. This is a globe. This is where you can set your language settings. I'm going to go back into English and then close back out. This time when I select my presser foot, prior to upgrading this machine, I can see all the presser feet I can use for this stitch, but I can't tell it exactly what I'm using and have it change on screen. So let's get this upgrade kit open and give it a whirl. Upgrade kit comes in a fantastic box, which is going to tell you some of the features of it. All are lovely. We're going to get this all the way open. And there's a user guide for how to install your upgrade. There's a product key card. Hang tight onto this. This is going to be the unique code to allow you to upgrade the machine. And then there's some fun toys in the box to go along with your upgrade. There's a presser foot. This is a new 72S foot, so very similar to the 72 foot, except it has a slit to slide your thread through, which is absolutely fantastic if you like doing ruler work. If you haven't tried ruler work, you should try ruler work. And then last little thing hiding in here, nearly impossible to get out of the cardboard the way it's tucked in there, are couching inserts for the ruler foot. So this allows you to couch with your ruler foot, which is super cool. So looking at our instructions for setup, there's multiple languages, so we'll be able to do this for whoever needs to. But the big things in here, your activation code, absolutely critical that you have that, and the website where you're going to register your upgrade. Those are very important parts of your information, and we need to make sure that the firmware on the machine is up to date before we get started with any of this. So let's go back to the machine, and we'll show you how to look up what your firmware is set at. So on this machine, on a 770, a 765 Rose Gold, a 770 Tula Pink, or a 770 Gold machine, all of you can find this information clicking through your user settings. So that's the gears, machine, I for info, and this V1.0 is where the version of your machine is sitting. You can click into that and take a look. This machine is currently at 39-02.02.01. But the big thing I'm seeing here is that I don't have an option for machine ID here. So hang tight, I'm going to update this firmware real quick, and then we'll be ready to carry onward with our update. When you are ready to install a firmware update on your Bernina, you can find your updates on Bernina Canada's website, and they are downloadable for the end user. If you're not comfortable with these steps, speaking with your dealer is totally acceptable. We're here to help you with these things if they're not going to work for you at home. But there is instructions. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Bernina pages, under Feedback and Service, there's a link to click into Manuals and Firmware Downloads. We'll click into there. And then you can travel through here and find your machine. All of the machines I've mentioned, the 770QE, the 765, the 772 Le Pink, and the 770 Gold, all fall under the firmware for the 770QE. The QE Plus is essentially what we're upgrading your machine to, but it is a different firmware package. We'll click into this, and then we'll be able to look and see what the most current version of firmware is. So current firmware is 39.07.12 as of March 10th or March 11th, 2022. This might be upgraded again down the road, and it's worthwhile checking periodically to see if there's more updates available for your machine. I do need to be installed at to this level to be able to install the upgrade on this 770. So we can hit download. Let it do its thing. When you've downloaded the folder, you can click the little arrow in your download bar and show in folder. When you get into this, you'll be able to right click on that folder you just downloaded and hit extract all. We'll extract into a folder of the same name. And this gets us 3 files that all end in .bin. These are our files that we will copy onto a blank USB stick. If you'd like to copy, you can right click again, hit copy, and we can right click to find the paste button. When this is done, you can eject the USB stick using a right click and scrolling up to eject. Now your USB is ready to take to your machine. When you've got your USB stick ready to go, we'll be able to do our machine upgrade by installing our USB stick in the machine and going back into our settings, so gears, machine, the wrench this time, and we'll go to the update key. If you have settings on your machine that you'd like to save in your personal settings, you can pre-save those to the USB stick and they will automatically reload when the firmware is done updating. It's going to show you the old version of firmware that's loaded right at the current moment, and we're going to hit update to allow it to update to the newest version. Your machine will reboot during the update process. Don't panic when the screen goes black. Lovely update successful message, and we're ready to carry on. We can go back in and double check machine info v1.0. We're at that 39.07.12, which is good. And we have more images on this screen. Each machine is allowed to have a unique machine ID. This is going to be used. I'm going to click in here, grab the machine ID from this machine, and using the product key from this upgrade kit, we're going to take all that information into Bernina's activation website. This is going to marry the activation code and the product key into another third number series of digits that are going to allow us to install this on our machine the rest of the way and access all the great features of the upgrade. So I've done the update. We're onto the register option, and I'm just going to press get started. Install the latest firmware. And then we're going to go generate activation key. And you'll use your information here. Our machine ID is the number we're pulling from our machine. Use caution when writing this down. You do need to have it accurate as you go. We can tell it what machine we have. This is just a regular 770 QE. And then we'll enter our product key from inside your activation box. Once you've verified both these numbers, you'll agree to the end user license agreement and hit submit. This will give you another activation code that we'll take back to the machine. We'll go into upgrade and we'll activate that 770 upgrade using the code given in your confirmation. Once this is activated, we're ready to jump into all the fun features that the upgrade allows us to have. My favorite, right off the top, being the ability to tell it exactly what presser foot we have in place so that we don't accidentally do something silly like try and sew a straight stitch into the center of our zipper foot, that number 4D. Join us in another video to watch as we go through some of these upgrade features.